Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Fortnite on Linux. So first up, it's not possible to play the official version of Fortnite on Linux using compatibility layers like Wine or Proton. Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney has stated that they will not support the platform due to concerns about combating cheating on various kernel configurations. The Anti-Cheat, Easy Anti-Cheat or EAC is intentionally disabled for Linux on the developer's end for Fortnite, even though EAC itself supports Linux. However, there are two primary ways to play the game on a Linux machine. First, cloud gaming services. This method involves streaming the game from a remote Windows server to your Linux device, bypassing the need to run the game natively on your hardware. This requires a stable high-speed internet connection. Xbox Cloud Gaming. Fortnite is available to play for free on Xbox Cloud Gaming. You only need a Microsoft account and a compatible browser like Chrome or Edge to access it. NVIDIA GeForce Now. If you have a subscription or use the free tier with limitations, you can stream Fortnite via GeForce Now. And finally, Amazon Luna. If you have an Amazon Prime subscription, you may be able to play through their Luna game streaming device. Method number 2. Dual booting Windows. The most effective way to play Fortnite with full performance and official support is to install Windows on a separate partition of your hard drive and dual boot your system. However, there are pros and cons. For pros, it has access to the official game client, full performance, no anti-cheat issues, and all game modes are available. However, it requires partitioning your hard drive, and you have to reboot your computer to switch operating systems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.